Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this golf mug over here that this brand sent to me for the video. I gotta say that this is fantastic. It could be the perfect gift for golf lovers. So I play golf, and I have tons of friends that play golf as well. So having this one over here could be the perfect gift for men. And they also like golf lovers and coffee lovers. So having this one with you, so you have the scorecard over there in the back. It is really, really good. And you have the flag over there, like in the green, the flag green over there, just like for you to not lose it on the side. And that's gonna be the thing that afternoon you're gonna hit for sure. But this one, yeah, as you can see, this one has a fantastic story over here. You can check it out. So you have some story over there as well. You have some of that as well, so you can actually read it a little bit. And you had tons of them to collect for all sport fans as well. So that is actually kind of good. Just take it or read if you want, in case that you're having this one for a friend or something like that. But the best thing about this one, let me show you. So I'm just gonna pour some Coke right here. I'm gonna just drink some of that, but you can put coffee, you can put tea, you can put many things, so don't worry about that. But the best thing about this, so number one, let me actually sip it because I'm thirsty. I've been talking a lot, so yeah, it's not kind of like interfering with your face or anything. But then you have the hole over here, so you can actually play a little bit with the sugar, for example, or the sweetener. You can just drop it in there, just play it a little bit. It has a tiny bunker over there as well. And again, it's like 16 ounces, so you can chug a ton of it. And you have this scorecard over there as well of the flag over here. I think it is just like so good just to have this one as a gift for someone that loves golf, or just for yourself. Like in my case, this is gonna be my new coffee mug for sure. I love it. I like it. I think it is fantastic. Thumbs up, recommended.